Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin Lynch and I am part of Group 2's presentation on Chapter 9, Promoting Positive Behavior and Facilitating Social Skills. Today we're going to be using the text Teaching Students with Special Needs in Inclusive Classrooms by Diane Bryant, Brian Bryant, and Deborah Smith. We will also be using additional resources throughout the presentation for you to refer to expand your knowledge on this area of teaching. Today in our presentation, we are going to be focusing on a few different ways to create a positive classroom environment, as well as making sure that your classroom is a place for all students to learn and be productive. One of the main points that we're going to begin with is the importance of fostering positive student relationships and open communication pathways, and how essential these are for students' overall success. We are going to provide strategies for fostering positive relationships, such as morning greeting, learning students' names, taking an interest in their lives outside of the classroom, as well as letting our students know about our lives outside of the classroom. We will be talking about the importance of team building activities in the classroom, as well as keeping up with and monitoring students' IEPs, and how essential this can be in order to making sure each of our students is successful in the classroom. We will also be providing strategies for establishing clear communication, including teaching rituals and routines, consequences, as well as the importance of posting the daily schedule and establishing a growth mindset in our classroom. Again, all of these strategies can be extremely helpful in making sure all of our students reach their full potential. We will then go on to discuss the importance of the arrangement of our classroom and how it's an essential part of our classroom management. We will be discussing how teachers should be able to visually see all of their students at all times. This allows teachers to use preventative classroom management practices. This allows the teacher to spend more time on important classroom instruction as opposed to classroom discipline. Teachers should also step back and observe the environment in order to make improvements and changes that will improve all learning outcomes. As teachers, we are constantly reflecting on our students' growth as well as their performance in the classroom. So it's also important that we observe our environment and make changes based off of what we think our students need in order to be successful. We will also be talking about how to effectively assess behavior, specifically undesirable behavior or misbehavior in the classroom. This type of behavior can take away from instruction and learning, and so it's important that as teachers we address this behavior and fix it. We will be giving plans to address and change this behavior, as well as extinguish negative behaviors that take away from instruction. As well as giving possible interventions, we will also talk about the importance of using a functional behavioral assessment as well as a behavioral intervention plan. Both of these are essential in order for a teacher to establish an effective classroom environment where all their students can be successful. I hope you learn a lot from our video, and I look forward to learning from each of you. Thank you.